Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Gavel, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Gavel website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Gavel. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Gavel website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. In the account settings, look for the Connect option. Click on Connect to start linking your devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose the devices you want to connect. Make sure your devices are powered on and within range. Select the corresponding device from the list provided. Confirm the connection by clicking on the Connect button. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates successful connection. Explore the features available through your connected devices. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section on the website. For further assistance, consider reaching out to Gavel's customer support. Now you are fully connected with Gavel and ready to maximize its capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.